Bye Bye New York. When I decided to meet you, I was a little bit nervous, a bit of scared, and a bit of excited too, as I have never seen you before and just knowing you from others. Heard about your busy streets, big constructions, busy people not talking to strangers. I was a bit worried about how will I survive for those 6 days. I entered your land, and with the heartbeat increasing moment by moment, seeing some stranger eyes looking at me, up and down, my worries increased. But meeting my known ones gave me the comfort to take a first positive step with you.
Hi.
Hi!
Hello.
Nice to meet you!
And when the first step I took, I felt so warm. Even it was so cold out there, with the windy breeze running out everywhere. The first day I encountered with the rain and cold winds running across the city, but walking down to the street, I felt so nice and amazed. Looking at your mesmerizing structures and facilities you gave for all people out there. You have taken so many things on you, facing so many hard times and still standing tall with a never giving attitude. When I met few strangers in the city, in my interaction with them, I never felt them like a strangers. A old man helping me out to guide me on the right path of my destination. A young lady being with me for more than 20 minutes as I was struggling to take the subway train ticket. An Indian student studying out there since last 2 years, suggesting me the subway direction and the path. The warmth and the friendliness your people gave to me. I wondered that what I heard about the city is totally opposite what I encountered in the city.
It's a pleasure meeting you, and I hope you enjoy the States.
The best constructed monuments like Statue of Liberty, Charging Bull with a little girl standing in front of it with the confidence, Rockefeller Center, Trump Tower, amazing view from Empire State in the night, never forgetting World Trade Center, Museum of the Natural Science, and the wonderful Central Park.
Eva, look at the biggest bridge in the world.
There were so many feelings I felt to spend the whole time out there to live those moments fully. Especially the feeling I got at Times Square. People out there are so lovely, happy, and happening. And how can I forget my first meeting with the Spider-Man at Times Square? I felt like flying on the big buildings of New York City, just like him, spreading my webs and crossing the lanes after lanes. Your long and huge roads gave me the feeling of traveling on it every day, which I encountered when I went on a road journey to Newport City in Rhode Island. The beauty of it will be never forgetting. The wonderful Manchester at the seacoast aligned was a dream come true experience to me. And the sunset on the returning back journey will be living in my memories for the last. The huge Niagara Fall I visited, and I fall in love with it at the first sight. I have no more words to describe the beauty you have in you. Even though you are busy, you are far ahead in the technology, but still you have kept your natural beauty as it is. This I wonder how could you do that, and I really fall in love with you. It's time to say bye-bye today. I am taking ahead my journey to the new part of United States, hoping the same feeling I get over there and see the new way of living. I will always miss you and keep you close to my heart, and will surely come back to see you soon, New York. Till then, keep growing, keep loving, and keep caring for the nature and people around you. I am, and I always will be the outsiders.